Hakim Amir Razak Ubhaya says Assalamu alaikum to all his lovers and followers round the world. As my followers know that I have uploaded a number of lectures on health, Tibb Nabawi, poetry of Allama Iqbal with Quran translation, general knowledge, motivational lectures in English and Urdu. Today I am speaking one of Allah's blessing that is called Arjuna tree. It is commonly found Himalaya region, India and Lahore, Pakistan. The beautiful organ is human body is heart. If the heart stops beating, there may be human death. In all kinds of diseases, the peel of Arjuna tree is the best, like as weakness of heart pain, high rate of heartbeat, high and low blood pressure. It is useful in all situations. Its dose is 3 gram and in liquid form a patient can take up to 25 gram, whose regular use make the blood thin and above all it protects us from heart attack. The peel of Arjuna tree is a tonic against a number of diseases. The Arjuna tree is being used from thousands of the years. I have uploaded a number of lectures on YouTube on the very same topic. Continue to watch my lectures on my YouTube channel, Amir Ubhaya.